In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change tag colors on Asana quickly and easily. This simple customization can help you better organize your tasks and projects by making important items stand out visually. Whether you're working on a team project or organizing your personal to-do list, customizing tag colors can enhance your task management experience. So let's dive in and explore how you can do this with just a few clicks. Let's start by focusing on projects. If you have a project open, you'll notice the project title at the top left of your screen. Right next to the title, there's a small color icon. This is what you'll be clicking on to change the color associated with your project. When you click this icon, a color palette will appear, offering you a selection of different colors to choose from. Simply click on the color that appeals to you or fits your organizational needs. Once you've made your choice, the color of your project will change instantly. This is a great way to visually differentiate between multiple projects and helps you prioritize tasks with just a glance. Now, let's move on to tasks. Changing tag colors for tasks works similarly to projects. Begin by navigating to the task or priority row that contains the tags you want to edit. Click on the tag you wish to change, and you will see the edit options appear on your screen. Among these options, look for a small color dot. Clicking this dot will open up the color palette, allowing you to select a new color for your tag. Just like with projects, your selection will be applied immediately, and you'll see the new color appear next to your task. This feature provides an excellent way to highlight certain tasks over others, enabling more efficient management of your workload. Whether you're new to Asana or a seasoned user, changing tag colors is a valuable tool in keeping your tasks and projects organized. Color coding can make complex workflows easier to navigate and can help ensure that important tasks and projects stand out. Choose colors that make sense to you or your team's designated system, a vibrant red for urgent tasks perhaps, or a calming blue for ongoing projects. Remember, you have the flexibility to change these colors anytime, so feel free to experiment to find the best option for your workflow. By customizing your workspace with this simple visual tool, you can enhance not only the aesthetics of your dashboard, but also the efficiency of your task management system. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in showing you just how simple it is to change tag colors on Asana. Until next time, happy organizing!